Hello again, and welcome to exercise 37, copy. Copy duplicates selected objects and places them in a new location. The command can repeat to create more than one copy in the same command sequence. So let's go ahead and get started. Now keep in mind that we're continuing on with the completed model from exercise 36, move. So we will be moving forward from that particular model. Okay, so to start, let's select the small circle at the lower left of the object, this circle right here. Next, we're going to copy the circle. And we should already be getting familiar with these commands and beginning to memorize them. So in this case, let's go ahead and just type in the command in the command bar. Now, the command bar reads, point to copy from. In this instance, snap to the center of the small circle, like so. For the point to copy to, snap to the center of the arc at the upper left of the object, right here, like so. And then right-click to finalize the command. Moving on, we're going to practice making multiple copies. So to start off, let's select the small circle at the lower left of the object, this one right here. Now let's go ahead and type copy in the command bar once again. For the point to copy from, snap to the center of the small circle. For the point to copy to, begin randomly picking points on the screen, like so. This way you can really understand that it's possible to continue making copies over and over again without having to enter the command multiple times in the command bar. Okay, so I'm going to right click to finalize my command. And now I'm going to just repeat a series of undos. Control Z is the shortcut key to remove all of these extra circles that I have just created. Oops, went too far, so Control Y to bring up that last circle that I need. Okay, now moving forward, where the next exercise we're moving on to is undo and redo, which is exercise 38. So be sure to save exercise 37 because we will be continuing with this model for the following exercise, exercise 38.